We are at Pack Expo in Chicago, and our booth number is 4604, and we're going to go through the different machines that we have here. First, we have the Autopouch. It's a form and fill machine, horizontal, and takes the roll stock, pulls it up, does the various operations. On this particular machine, we have a Weber print and apply labeler. We also have a inkjet printer that takes an inkjet cartridge. This is a poly machine, so that the sealing and cutting is done in the transfer forward station. Then we come to the loading station, and I'll move up to the top here so you can see how the bag's open. In this position here, you would put either auger fillers or any kind of weigh scale, or maybe some automatic feeding device. Once the bag is filled, it is then sealed and cut away before the bag advances forward. Okay. Now we'll move over to the Flat-Pak. The Flat-Pak, in this case, is not a form and fill machine, but it could be a form and fill machine. This machine takes roll bag. As you can see here, you can just barely see the seals, but this is a chevron seal bag, and it's a printed bag. So we register to print. We also print on the back side variable information, and then we cut the bag similar to what we would do with a form and fill machine. Now, our form and fill machine in this case would take an impulse seal. However, if it was just for a polyester film, we could also make the bag and use a resistant seal system. The product is then filled and the bag sealed and cut away from the trim. And that's the Flat-Pak machine. Now we'll move over to the header card machine. The header card machine's, in this case, putting on a paper header. It also is punching a hole, and it also could put a embosser in it. It also punches the hole. See that there's no hole in it right there, and when it comes off, it has a hole in it. So this you could put any kind of a bag in. Now we'll move over to the bag placement machine. This machine takes a bag from a magazine and it opens it. You can see the magazine right there. It then brings it over to the loading station. In this case, it opens the zipper. Just go slower so that we can see what's going on. So you can see it pick the bag. Here, and then it brings it down to here. Zipper opener goes in, opens the bag, and then the chute comes in to deposit the product from a combination scale, or in this case we have a linear scale on it. This is a 4-head linear scale for granular type products, and that's pretty much the machines we have here at the packaging show.